Hello everyone, my name is Gina. You are welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to make chin chin. I made use of flour, margarine, baking powder, milk flavors, nutmeg powder, sugar, eggs and water. Into my bowl, I added the dry ingredients. I started by adding the flour. I went ahead to add my milk flavor. I added the sugar. I added the baking powder. Then I went ahead to also add my powdered nutmeg. After adding all the dry ingredients, I stirred to combine everything together. I went ahead to add my margarine to my dry ingredients. I added the eggs, then I mixed to combine everything together. After mixing, I later added water to it. Do not need too much when in this process. After kneading the dough, I went ahead to cover and allow it to rest for 15 minutes. After allowing the dough to rest for about 15 minutes, I uncovered. I added flour to my working table. Then I added flour also to the rolling pin and also with the pizza cutter. If you don't have a pizza cutter, you can use your knife. I used my hand to press the dough down before using the rolling pin, and I rolled the dough as thin as possible before going ahead to cut the dough into the shape and sizes I want. You can actually cut this chin chin dough to whatever size you want. You can cut it big, you can cut it small. Whatever size you do is fine and is okay. After cutting the chin chin dough with the pizza cutter, I added extra flour so that the chin chin dough can easily come off the workspace. While I was working on my chin chin dough, I went ahead to heat up my vegetable oil. Then after 5 minutes, I went ahead to start adding my chin chin dough to the oil. I allowed it to fry. While frying, I continually flip to the other side so that everything can be evenly fried and golden. Ensure to fry on low heat so as to prevent the chin chin from burning. When frying, ensure to look at the color of the chin chin. Here, the first batch I added to my vegetable oil is ready. So I added the later batch of the chin chin. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate. Kindly follow me for more recipes.